Magmula sa rookie na pinakain ng bola si Steph Curry hanggang sa posterized dunk ni Jason Tatum sa kanyang idolo na si LeBron James, ay narito ang mga pinakamatinding tapatan ng NBA legends at NBA rookies sa kasaysayan ng NBA. Simulan nga natin yan sa pagpapakain ng bola ng isang rookie kay Stephen Curry.
Markkanen crosses him over into the lane, driving, blocked away by Markkanen. Off of Curry.
Sapul sa ulo, pero deserve naman yan ni Steph dahil sa ginawa niyang ito sa rookie na si Jaylen Brown.
Give him a good push.
Curry with the fake on Jaylen Brown, drills it. He got the rookie up in the air, and Curry with a little something to say afterwards.
Cold-blooded ka talaga, Steph. Kagaya na lamang ng ginawang ito ni Luka Doncic kay LeBron James.
They're turning down a lot of open shots right now.
LeBron, a couple of weak sides, look to block him twice.
That's really alert defensive play.
Oh, what a moment that is for young Luka Doncic.
Pero mas matindi naman ang ginawang bawi ni LeBron James sa rookie ito na si Nico Mannion.
LeBron welcoming Nico Mannion to the NBA. It's good to see you. Congrats. Just a nonchalant, bone-crushing screen.
Nakita nyo yung impact? Mapapaaray ka na lang talaga. At hindi na rin mapagkakaila na parte na nga ng NBA culture ang rookie hazing, kagaya na lamang ng ginawa ni Giannis kay Sterling Brown sa videong ito.
So we got a little surprise for Sterling Brown.
Pero syempre may ganti din ang mga rookies. Ito ay nang ginawang batang maliit ni Zion, si Giannis, nang agawan niya ito ng bola.
Ball in the corner. Beautiful. And ball misses the three. And Zion takes it away from Giannis and a foul.
We saw this in the summer league in preseason where Williamson just vice grips the basketball and takes it away.
At ibalik naman natin ang lahat sa 2012 nang ang rookie si Kyrie Irving ay napahiya nang makipag 1-on-1 ito kay Kobe Bryant.
Kyrie against Bryant, who takes on the challenge. See if Kyrie does as well. Crowd anticipating a little one-on-one action. Behind the back, couldn't shake it. Bryant showing all room. Defender, and he blocked it! Kobe Bryant says, bring it at me.
Iba talaga si Black Mamba, mga idol, pero kudos pa rin kay Kyrie Irving at hindi siya na-posterize kagaya na lamang ng nangyari kay Dwight Howard.
The Lakers, because of this man, Kobe Bryant, can take over.
Talagang sinalo ng mukha ni Dwight ang bola ni Kobe. Okay lang naman daw, sabi ni Dwight, dahil may bawi rin naman siya nang i-posterize niya ang rookie si Kristaps Porzingis.
Alley-oop to Dwight, 2-and-1. He almost stuffed the rookie in the basket. Oh my goodness.
Welcome to the NBA, young fella.
Nakakahiya ka, Kristaps. Napakatangkad mo. Na-posterize ka pa rin. Pero mas nakakahiya na siguro ang ginawang ito sa rookie si Chris Paul.
Hey, Rook, this bag hurt my shoulder, Rook. Come on, Rook. Rook. All right, sit it down right here. Sit it right here. I'm gonna grab it. Sit it right here. I'll grab it. Come on, Rook. All right. Come on, Rook. All right. All right, that's cool.
Okay na siguro ang pagbuhatin ka ng bag ng mga legend kesa naman ma-posterize ng isang rookie sa Eastern Conference Finals.
6:45 remaining. Tatum drives down. That throws it down. Wow! It's one little rookie. And then he goes right up to him.
May halo pang angas at binangga pa talaga si LBJ. Buti na lamang at hindi nagalit si LeBron. Kagaya na lamang ng naramdaman ni Shaq sa rookie si Andrew Bynum.
Passed out of three, shoots the two.
Oh, and Shaquille
O'Neal with the stuff over Andrew Bynum that Bynum will remember for the rest of his life.
Yes, he will.
Right back at him.
Oh, look out! Shaquille O'Neal took a swing at Andrew Bynum. I would think this will be an ejection.
Hindi man lang natakot kay O'Neal si Bynum, kagaya na lamang ng tapang ng rookie na ito na hinarap si Michael Jordan. Ang player na yan ay walang iba kundi si Allen Iverson.
As a kid, Allen had bragged to his coach about taking MJ. And now, he'd finally get his chance.
When I grabbed the ball, I heard Phil Jackson yell, "Michael."
Iverson has Jordan. The crowd is into it.
I gave him a little cross to see would he bite on it. I let him set his feet, and then I stepped it back again.
Allen shakes free, gets two! Mike said no. Allen said yes. The buck and the crowd.
Dream come true talaga yan mga idol. Na-crossover ba naman ang GOAT na si Jordan? Pero kabaliktaran naman yan sa bangungot na naramdaman ng rookie ng Golden State Warriors dahil sa kakupalan na trip sa kanya ni Stephen Curry.
We got our first rookie. Y'all give it up for my man Damian Jones. What's up, what's up, what's up? How y'all doing? Well, I tried to let you know, but I guess you didn't know. Maybe now I got the flow, cause I knew it from the start. Baby, when you broke my heart.
Talagang feel na feel ang moment. Pero ibahin mo ang rookie si Josh Okogie dahil ang rookie ito ay gumawa ng pinakamagandang revenge play in NBA history. Dahil noong 2019, ginawa ni James Harden ang kanyang signature step back sa harap ni Josh na talaga namang nagpahiya sa kanya. Pero matapos ang larong yon, ay nakabawi ang rookie kay Harden nang gawin niya ito.
Harden's got to get busy here. Great defense by Okogie. Tremendous defense by the rookie. This building is lit because of that guy, Josh Okogie.
Grabe ka, Josh. Pero speaking of defense, ay same lang yan sa maangas na depensang ipinakita ni Ja Morant sa game-winning shot sana ni Kyrie Irving.
Against Morant. Irving, blocked by Morant. We're going to overtime. One of the best players on the planet against a rookie, and a rookie meets the moment.
Kung malupit na yan, ay wala na sigurong mas lulupit pa kay Brogdon dahil pinahiya lang naman niya ang dalawang legends ng Cavs na si LBJ at Kyrie.
Get in his grill.
Brogdon takes it right at Kyrie Irving. He gave him a little look too. There's the stare. Oh, look at it. Too hard, too often. That's a pretty good mix.
It sure is, and shooting them, it's the closest three-point shot.
Brogdon, he looked at Kyrie.
That's really unforced also. Too bad after playing so well. And this is the dunk from Brogdon. Look at that, Jim. It's a hook dunk.
At sa ating susunod na moment ay balikan natin noong 2003 ang pagpapahiyang ginawa ng rookie si Yao Ming nang makaharap nito for the first time ang Noy League MVP na si Shaquille O'Neal.
Live in Shanghai at 10:30 in the morning as O'Neal goes right at Ming, goes to the net,
Slowing down the big man. Yeah, first touch.
so many big names and big fellas in the building. Ming, the second block on O'Neal.
That's going to have to go to his jump hook in transition.
Yeah, on the other end.
Preparation, knees flex.
10-3, 8-2. O'Neal, look out for it. Up strong with help, loses the handle.